Hi, class. In week 5, we're going to be back in our grammar textbook. And what you'll be learning this week are comma splices, subject verb agreement, formatting your titles, and then also citations. So, for comma splices, this is probably the most common punctuation mistake made in writing, and it is also the most common comma mistake made in writing. You'll find that comma splices are similar to run on sentences, and that it's an error in how two sentences are like joined together. Now, I've also posted an additional resource video for you in the class session page with a helpful tip on how to identify comma splices. So, for subject verb agreement, which is the second thing you'll be covering in chapter 19, this is going to require you to use the skills that you learned back in week 1 with finding subjects and predicates. Okay, so saying finding subject verb, subject predicate, it's pretty similar and interchangeable. So if you need a little refresher on that, I have posted an additional resource video on the class session page below this video, and you may want to review that little video to kind of refresh your memory. You can also go back into chapter 13 and view how to identify nouns, verbs, and then subjects and predicates is located back in chapter 13. And then lastly, formatting titles. This is like, do I, italicize or put quotation marks around, a book title or an article title? What do I do? And that chapter will cover it, which is basically chapter 23 in our textbook here. And this is going to help you with citations. So we're going to start learning about citations this week. We'll cover it 3 times throughout the course, and this will be your first introduction to it. To learn about the citations, you're going to go and find the document on our course page. To find that document, go to our course page and scroll all the way down to week 5, and then click on the document that says, "What are citations and how to quote?" And then you will need to review this document, and you will also have a quiz over this document. So keep this document nearby and at hand when doing the quiz because you'll be asked to refer back to it frequently. All right, that's a brief overview of what you are learning and doing this week.